You guys, I'm gonna do something crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Taper cuts are so cute until you're ready to grow them out. It's a nightmare. Hi curl friends, I'm naturally Shauniece, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Guess what guys, it's time. It's time to cut my hair. And I'm sober. I haven't had anything to drink, but I am very tired, very tired of growing out this taper cut. It's time to go to get as close to one length as possible. I just can't take the various lengths that I have. And so I thought, hey, it's a Friday night, I'm stuck in quarantine. We probably have 4 to 6 weeks left of being in quarantine and social distancing. So why not have some fun, try to even out my hair, give myself a haircut. And then if I mess it up, because this can go really bad, right? It can be really good or really bad. And let's just say it's super awful. Guess what? I have 4 to 6 weeks to grow it out, and then I can always go and get it fixed while after social distancing. So I really have nothing to lose. It's either gonna be really fabulous and I'm gonna be really happy, or I'm gonna hate it for another 4 to 6 weeks, but I don't have to go anywhere, so it doesn't matter. You're probably wondering, how is this girl going to cut her hair? I have no formal training in hair cutting, none. I'm not a stylist. I'm literally just an average Joe who enjoys doing her hair from time to time. Cut it like what you see here, okay? So let's go over the steps that I'm going to do to cut my hair. I've had my fair share of what we call curly cuts, right? So that includes a Deva cut, I've had the Mizani Air cut, I've had other stylists, give me a curly cut. What is a curly cut does is that you come to your stylist with your hair freshly washed, with no product in your hair, and your hair has to be in its current state of how you would typically wear your hair, right? So if you notice with my hair, I wouldn't go get a haircut, a curly cut with my hair brushed out like this, because when you wash it and then it dries, the shrinkage and the volume, everything is going to look and be different. So I would show up with freshly washed hair again, no putting my fingers through it. It's exactly how my hair is when I wear it in its, wash and go style. Okay, and what that allows for is when your hair is dry, that's the natural way that your curls fall. It accounts for the shrinkage, and it gives your hair an opportunity to be cut curly, so that you just literally go through and you cut each an individual curl.
This is what my hair looks like at the start of the cut, with no products in it, and it's freshly washed. I washed using Up North Naturals products, both of which can be found in the description.
Okay. What's going on with my hair now? I washed my hair, I conditioned my hair, I detangled my hair, I rinsed all products out. So what you see here are no products, fresh curls, okay? So let me just show you real quick what we're working with here. Okay, and the key to this cut is I can't really touch and mess up the curls. I'm gonna go through and just snip away individually, all right?
Notice the front of my hair is truly covering up my eyes. It's too long, and that's what's really bothering me here. Same thing with the sides. Notice it's coming up and over my ears, and I'm gonna try to cut some of this out to match my shaved sides.
Here we go, oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this here. Oh God, okay. Ooh, I'm really doing this. Oh shoot. Okay.
I really cannot believe that I cut my hair. Okay, so let's get into the cut. Notice I start off with the area that's bothering me most, which is really the front of my hair. It's covering up my eyes. So I'm going to start off by taking each individual curl, and if it's above my eye and covering up my eye, I just kind of snip it off. Notice I'm not going too heavy. I'm focusing on any curl or any length of hair that is kind of outside the overall shape, right? So that's why you see me grabbing the ends. I'm also focusing on anything that seems dead. So if the ends seem dead or have a lot of split ends, I cut it out. For the back of my hair, I really cut out pieces that didn't belong. So again, if it was standing kind of like falling and doesn't look like it's in place, I cut that. Here on the sides, I'm trying to get as close as possible to the shaved, grown out sides. So that's why I'm pulling it just a little bit more. Notice again, when I'm pulling, I'm not disrupting the curl pattern. I'm just kind of pulling out that ends, and that's going to be very important to account for shrinkage.
Now that my hair is cut, I'm going to do an overnight hot oil treatment using Vatika oil.
I love Vatika oil. If you don't know what it is, it's an enriched coconut oil that's really designed to provide you rich, healthy, and beautiful hair. It is enriched with vitamin E and 7 other powerful herbs like henna, alma, lemon extract, all of which are designed to strengthen and protect the hair shaft in your hair. So this is great if your hair is extremely dry or if you're looking to even grow your hair out. And then what I'm going to do here is cover it up at night, put this thermal heat cap on, and be ready in the morning.
Good morning, curl friends. I'm back. So last night I went to sleep in this heated thermal hair cap wrapped up in Vatika oil in a plastic cap, just for some extra conditioning. Okay, we're looking good. Oh, we're gonna have to cut this right here. Steps. We are going to rinse out this Vatika oil, and then I'm going to do a protein treatment. I've been doing protein treatments once a month just because of the color and to make sure that this color does not damage my hair and get dry and brittle. So my protein of choice is Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. I really like it.
For full transparency, I did sit underneath the steamer for 25 minutes with the Palmer's Deep Conditioner. So now we're going to get into styling. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go, which really isn't a wash and go, but it's going to be a wash and go with finger coils. So I start off with this product here, which is Curls Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just going to work the leave-in conditioner in. I'm going to brush it out so that it's smooth. And then I'm going to apply this Uncle Funky's Daughter Super Curl Cream. I love this cream. It's one of my favorite creams. It just hydrates your hair so much and it lasts for days. Then I'm going to use this Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It is an aloe-based gel that leaves your hair super defined and soft. And it, again, a little goes a long ways. This Curly Magic, it lasts for days, and you could just, all you have to do is just apply water and then, reactivate the product that's in your hair. So this is a good one. I'm going to work my way to the back of the hair, really just using small sections in my finger to create coils. This is how I get my hair to last multiple days. I could just do it with a brush without doing finger coils, but for me, I don't get a long wear out of that. So I like a finger coil to keep my curls super defined. I always start off with the base to trap and lock in moisture, which is going to be your leave-in conditioner. Don't skip the leave-in conditioner step. And here I just am once again going in small sections and finger coiling my hair. Look at the definition. I'm touching up this cut now, trying to see what's still kind of left. Where do I want to go with it? Notice I'm still cutting individual curls and strands, focusing on the ends of my hair. I probably could have cut more around my eyes, but again, once my hair is dry, it should shrink and rise up and out of my face, that is. And this is why I love finger coils. I always get super defined and tight curls that are really going to last for days. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to diffuse my hair. I love diffusing because it traps in the water and the moisture without stripping your hair like a traditional blow dry. This is also where I get a lot of my volume. Notice when I'm diffusing, I'm not touching my hair. Do not touch your hair because you do not want frizz.
Okay, haircut is complete. My hair is about 75% dry. So now I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna pick it. I'm not going to touch it anymore today. We're just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you the final finishing touches, and that's gonna be to pick, to add some oil, fluff, and we're gonna be good. But overall, I love the fact that I can now see. I love the fact that the shape isn't that bad. Probably can just go through here and trim up just a little bit more and maybe shorten it. But for my first time cutting, you can definitely tell the difference between now and or after and before.
And here is all the hair that I cut. Say goodbye. Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
It's a whole day and I'm back. My hair is completely dry. And these are the final results. Now, full disclosure, what I did was at night, I wrapped it up in my scarf and pineappled it. And then this morning, I picked it out. Let me show you how I pick it out to get this really, really full effect.
And here's your tip of the day. Wait until your hair is completely dry to pick it out.
You can see that it's not frizzy. Look at that. The ends are nice. I have overall good shape to this. There we go. It's looking more so like it's one unified fro instead of growing sides and back. Here we are.
I know it doesn't seem like I cut off a lot, but that really wasn't the goal. The goal was to get it out of my face to help provide some more shape to it, as you can see here and then here. You could tell that there's way more shape to it. Look at how my hair is just falling in front of my face. And then I cut it out here, and then here, completely dry, it's out of my face.
Don't forget that videos and tutorials will be posted on Sunday nights at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to look forward to actually that little bell that's there. Set your bell notifications for me on YouTube so that when I post a new video, you get it. Until next time, curl friends, stay safe out here, stay home, do your part, continue to enjoy your family, and take care of your hair. Bye.